What's up everyone, Gorilla here, and today we are doing a deep dive into trading volume. A lot of you see massive trading competition with high volume requirements and think it's impossible without $1 million account. That is completely false. I'm going to show you the math behind how to make $1 million in national volume safely. This is a perfect timing because STARTRADER just launched their Star Trading League. It's a multi-stage NBA themed trading competition that brings the energy of basketball competition into a live trading experience. It runs from June 1st to August 3rd. You pick one of the 13 NBA teams from Eastern or Western Conference, but the team selection is final, so pick carefully. To qualify for each stage, you need to hit a national trading volume of 1 million USD. But remember, trading involves heavy risk, and I'm not guaranteeing you any profits or returns here, so manage your downside. Now that you understand the volume math, here's how the actual tournament works. You start by registering and making a minimum of 500 USD deposit. The deposit can be cumulative and does not need to be in a single transaction. The tournament has three main phases: the toss, knockouts, and the buzzer beater. You aren't just competing against everyone. You need to be the best on your specific team. Only top 10 traders from each team, ranked by the highest profit rates, advance to the next stage. As you advance, a minimum U deposit of 500 USD is required at each stage. Though accumulated deposits count toward future stage requirements provide the minimum new deposit condition is met. So the strategy is pick a team, deposit your 500 USD, execute your calculated volume trades holding longer than 10 minutes, and focus purely on your profits. If you grind to the semi-final and make it to the MVP final, the payoff is huge. The grand prize for first place gets you an NBA game ticket, an exclusive StarTrader basketball, an NBA store voucher, and 10,000 USD cash reward. Registration is strictly open until May 28th. Do not wait on this. Click my unique referral link in the description below right now to register your account. Deposit your $500, draft your NBA team, and let's get to work.